Here is a brief history of computers, highlighting key milestones and developments. Number 1. Abacus, c. 3000 BCE, often considered the earliest computing device. The abacus was a manual calculating tool used for basic arithmetic calculations. Number 2. ENIAC, 1946. The electronic numerical integrator in computer, ENIAC, was one of the earliest general-purpose electronic computers. It was massive in size, used vacuum tubes, and was primarily used for scientific calculations. Number 3. UNIVAC I, 1951. The UNIVAC I, Universal Automatic Computer, became the first commercially available computer in the United States. It introduced magnetic tape storage and punched card input-output. Number 4. IBM 650, 1954. The IBM 650 was a popular early computer that utilized magnetic drum memory and allowed for greater versatility in programming. Number 5. Transistor computers, late 1950s. The invention of transistors revolutionized computing, leading to smaller, faster, and more reliable computers. Examples include the IBM 7090 and the DEC PDP-1. Number 6. IBM System 360, 1964. The IBM System 360 was a groundbreaking family of mainframe computers that offered compatibility across various models. It became highly influential in the industry and set standards for future computer systems. Number 7. Personal computers, 1970s–1980s. The emergence of personal computers marked a significant shift in computing. Machines like the Altair 8800, Apple II, and IBM PC brought computing power to individuals and laid the foundation for the modern PC era. Number 8. Apple Macintosh, 1984. The Macintosh, with its graphical user interface and mouse, revolutionized personal computing and made it more accessible to a broader audience. Number 9. Internet and World Wide Web, 1990s. The development of the Internet and the subsequent creation of the World Wide Web by Tim Berners-Lee transformed computers into a global network, facilitating information sharing, communication, and e-commerce. Number 10. Laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Late 20th century, present. Advancements in technology led to the development of portable devices such as laptops, tablets, and smartphones, which brought computing capabilities to users on the go. Number 11. Cloud computing. 2000s, cloud computing emerged as a paradigm where data storage, processing, and software applications are hosted on remote servers and accessed via the Internet, enabling scalable and flexible computing resources. Thank you for watching this video. Stay us for more.